guys, TheGearChange here, back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be installing these bonnet struts or hood dampers for the XR4. Now, I saw these pop up on a Facebook post a couple of weeks ago. A guy that has a XR4 or ST150, whatever you want to call it, was sort of listing a few things he'd done to his car that he'd recommend to other Fiesta owners that obviously counts as a modification or makes it easier to live with. And one of those things was hood dampers or bonnet struts. Now, I don't mind the stick that's in there currently. It's sort of like what I had on the Focus for a while, but having proper bonnet struts makes a world of difference, especially if you're working on the car or changing over parts and things like that. I don't know, I don't like the idea of potentially hitting the stick and the bonnet donking me on the head. So picked these up off of Amazon. They're about $120 roughly, so not super duper expensive, but yeah, I just thought I'd show you guys how to install them. I couldn't really find anything on the internet about installing these sort of things on a Fiesta, so yeah, let's get to it. Check out the fresh new logo sticker as well. They are available on my website down below. Now, the next step is to obviously pop the bonnet. So where are we looking? Oh, on the passenger side, right, almost forgot that it's on the other side. Walk around here. There it is. There's the hood release. Mighty stick. Let's pull that up. Hold the bonnet up with my head because I don't have the gas struts in yet. And there we go. So that's what I'm dealing with currently. Just one of these sort of little factory sticks. That can probably stay there once I put the new gas struts in, to be honest. I don't think it'll have to move, but yeah, so there'll be one on that side obviously and one on that side. I'm not too sure on where exactly they mount. I will figure that out. I assume they're going to go somewhere around here or here because there are existing bolt holes. So we'll undo the package, we'll see what the instructions are like. Funny enough, I actually scanned the QR code over there and it popped up with a Mighty Car Mods video from about 12 years ago talking about how to install sort of bonnet struts or hood dampers, so you might have to give that a quick watch to see if it's of any relevance to this. But yeah, let's unpack it now and see what we get in the kit. Here are the struts themselves. There is the QR code which I scanned, which popped up with a Mighty Car Mods video, as I mentioned before, which is pretty awesome. So we'll open these up, fold that out the way, I'll pull it out carefully. Don't obviously damage anything. These on top, we'll have a look at what these say. So there we go there. So that's meant to be for 06 Fiesta, which I guess is accurate. To prevent rust, please use the cotton stick and apply some grease on every contact you've made when installing. Yep. So as predicted, it goes into those like sort of bolts that are already, well, one of them's taken out on the right hand side for some weird reason, and the one on the left is there, but yeah, seems like that screws in there with the bracket, and then obviously you've got to do the bits up the top. So I probably need to get Dad to help me hold the bonnet up the very top, just so I don't, you know, drop it on my head, but I'll put that to a side. So there are the struts themselves. There is the cotton swab with the grease or whatever, and then here is the brackets and things themselves in a bag that looks like it's had a bit of a hard time, so I'll take that out. There's the left side, right side, there's these little sort of disc looking things here, I'll take them out. And the left side for the top of the bonnet, and then the right side, which I'll just maybe just rip out. There you go. So left and right hand side, the grease, and then obviously the struts themselves, which are here. So they feel pretty good quality, they look good, they're matte black, so they should work pretty well once we get it in the car. It'll be a lot easier to do installs and things like that. But yeah, let's get started. I reckon we'll start with the bottom ones first, grease them up, and then try to do the top ones and then clip these in. So according to the orientation of the bracket, it is meant to sit on there like that. So that goes there, and we'll twist this on obviously. So I'll line it up, make sure it is centered. I'll flip that to the right side, and then I will tighten it. Not super tight, but just tight enough just so I get the orientation of where it's going to sit on the car. So hopefully you guys can see that the ball joint is sitting out towards the engine bay on this side, and then I will replicate it obviously on the other side. And then once I've got those two on, tighten them, make sure they're in the right position, then we can take the bolts out of the bonnet and line up the struts. Now to obviously do the same on the other side, so have the ball facing out towards the fender, get the bolts threaded in by hand until it's sort of level or where it needs to be, and line it up. And obviously tighten it up once it's in the correct position, so bring it down a smidge. Just like that. And sort of nip tighten it just until I get the ones up the top, just to make sure they're sort of level and balanced. But yeah, the ball joints are meant to be facing inwards, so just keep that in mind when you're doing that, and obviously don't rotate them the other way. Right, so the next step is to add this bracket here. So this bracket here is meant to go over the factory holder, and then the factory bolt will go straight through there. So I'll undo this bolt real quick. Chuck this on here. And that should come out by hand now, carefully. Right, so there's my bolt, there's my bracket. Now, the only reason why I'm doing this side first is because I have this strut holding up the bonnet. Now, there is 2 bolt holes for the bonnet, but just for safety, I'm doing it this way. So this is meant to clip over like so, and I've got to line it up where it's directly in the middle, so probably about there. And I shall get this bolt, line it up, put it onto the tightening mode. Oh, doesn't want to work. Make sure it goes back in. See if I can thread it by hand a bit. There we go. Alright, there we go. Alright. So that's on it nice and tight, pretty much smack bang in the middle where I need it to be. The ball joint is sitting out again in the right position, so when I line the strut up end to end, should be nice and level. So just got to repeat that on the passenger side, and then we should be able to get the struts, pop the clips out and make sure that they work and that the bonnet goes up and down safely without any sort of flexibility. Now we are at the last and final stage of this hood strut install that is holding up the bonnet for me. So here is the strut. The chubby end goes to the top. So I thought with these you're meant to sort of pull them out with like a flathead screwdriver, the little bracket, but apparently not. That is just meant to go on, and that is meant to lower it down a bit, Dad, if you can, just a smidge. Oh, not too much, a bit more up, like that. So that is meant to be how they sit. So there's that one. So hold that, and then we'll go to the other side and install the other one. Alrighty, so bonnet struts are now installed in the XR4, which are absolutely awesome. They make working on the car super, super easy. So I'll show you guys now what they are like. So pop the bonnet, as per usual, pull the tab, and off she goes. Absolutely love it, like for how much that cost and how much of a difference that'll make for working on this car. Unbeatable. Okay, so that'll do it for the bonnet strut install on my little XR4 or ST150. Pretty easy install, but I thought I'd make a video on it because I couldn't really find much. Didn't take too long. I will have the link for these struts down below if you guys are interested in buying a set. If you enjoy this sort of content, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.